Welcome to Mini Masters. Today, we're going to dive into the enchanting story of Ariel from The Little Mermaid and her secret love for Prince Eric. Ariel was a young mermaid with a heart full of wonder and curiosity. She lived under the sea with her father, King Triton, and her many sisters, but she was unlike anyone else in her world. Ariel was fascinated by the human world, collecting treasures from shipwrecks and dreaming of life above the waves. One day, during a storm, Ariel spotted a human prince named Eric aboard a ship. As the storm grew fiercer, Eric was thrown overboard, and without hesitation, Ariel swam to save him, bringing him safely to shore. As she looked at him, she felt a new, powerful feeling. She was falling in love. Before he awoke, Ariel slipped away, but she couldn't stop thinking about him. Back in her underwater home, Ariel dreamed of Eric, imagining what it would be like to live on land by his side. She often stared up at the surface, picturing his face and wondering if they could ever be together. Her friends, like Flounder and Sebastian, were worried, but Ariel's heart was set on her dream. Eventually, Ariel's love led her to make a dangerous deal with the sea witch, Ursula. In exchange for her beautiful voice, Ariel received a pair of human legs so she could walk on land and meet Eric. However, she only had 3 days to receive a true love's kiss, or she would belong to Ursula forever. Ariel's bravery and love for Eric were tested, but in the end, her kind heart and determination brought them together. With a little help from her friends and the strength of her love, Ariel and Eric were united, breaking the spell and defeating Ursula. Ariel's story reminds us of the power of courage, following your heart, and believing in dreams. Thank you for joining us on Mini Masters. If you loved this tale, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more magical adventures. Until next time, remember sometimes love can conquer even the wildest oceans. See you soon.